Hello people, welcome back to Psychedelic Narwhal, and welcome also to Rain Vlog, either 4 or 5, I don't remember, but you probably can't tell. Normally, these would all be lit up, but you can't see it from in here. We'll have to go in the living room to see I'm in the Greensburg house today. Camera focus. Yes, it's raining. It's raining a lot. Go to the kitchen here. It's really hot in here. Turn this off. This isn't even doing anything. Yeah. Probably hear the sometimes these can be a little hard to roll up, but in the end it's all good. I'll shut this light off so you can see it a little better. I'll shut this one off too. So, I've mentioned this before, these windows are extremely drafty. I mean, they're just wood boxes with glass panes in them. It feels wet there. Is this thing leaking? Could be just humidity condensation or whatnot. So you can see my reflection over there. You can see how the blinds work. It's very straightforward. Actually, I'm gonna turn my air off. We're gonna go back in there. Actually, I'm kidding. We are in the floor's wet. He was coming in there a lot too. I don't have access to that room right now. Alright. Yes, I did shut off the attic stuff. Let's look out this way. Sorry I didn't get the video while it was raining harder. Like it was raining real hard a minute ago. Usually you're not supposed to run air conditioning in the rain. But if they break that unit out there, it's kind of a deal, but also like not really. I hate the blinds so much. The blinds I have in here are absolute crap. You can hear it hitting against that. This time it's lighter, as you can see the water flowing down there. And the fire siren's going off. Maybe there's thunder too. Oh, the kitty saw there's a window. Lumpy here, she loves windows. Both the cats here, they love windows. She probably raced over here not just because of me. I mean she knows I give her pets. But she likes windows. I was gonna open that side panel so I could stick the camera outside. See if I can get this panel open. Nope. I'm gonna try and get this side panel open. I don't know why. I actually don't really know why I put tape on this one. It doesn't need it. It's okay, guys. The case is water resistant. It'll be alright. I have no idea what that was. So yeah, I've been trying to keep the rain vlogs really short. So I think this might be long enough. I think the rain's starting to die down. Let's go ahead and shut this door. I do hope you enjoyed the video though. Check out all the other rain vlog videos. And as always, I will see you in the next video. And stay tuned if you want to see more rain vlog videos. I'll try to post more of them if it rains enough. Because it actually doesn't rain very much, but it's August and it tends to rain a lot in August. So I'll try to record as much as I can. But anyways, thank you for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.